Today I want to show you how to create a colorful spring and Easter mantle. The first step is just lots and lots of florals for spring. Use anything you already have and then add in tons of pops of pink, and I love these hydrangeas that are giving off kind of a yellow and green feel. For a traditional Easter look, we've gone ahead and added bunnies. So we have some little glitter bunnies and some pink bunnies, and to just add some drama and some height, I've placed it on a cake stand. Same thing here. To add height, we've added candlestick to put our votive on, and then of course more bunnies. You can't have a mantle without the Happy Easter sign. And then to add a little decoration to the mirror, we've added our little hopping bunny, and this just adds a little bit of flair. These are actually boxes, but stacked on top of each other, on top of a cake plate. It looks like a little Easter bunny cake. I just thought that was the cutest thing. And then I've just put some kind of festive straws up here. You could fill jars like this with seasonal candy eggs. Added another little bunny, and then just more flowers. So very simple to take kind of what you already have for just everyday spring decor and then add in some bunnies and Easter signs.